Hey there, Elisha. Welcome again to this week's Advanced Posture of the Week. We'll be covering Parivrtta Hasta Padangusthasana, which is building up on the pose we did last week, which is Parivrtta Hasta Padangusthasana. So, essentially, what we're going to be doing is doing the pose we did last week, and then adding in a twist. So this is again another posture we see in the Ashtanga primary series, and is a balancing posture with the added challenge of a twist. So when you're ready, start to ground into one foot, activate the Astabandha by pressing into all four corners of the foot, lift the toes up, press them down, squeeze them into the mat, and this will create a suction force. Inhale, lift the right leg up, roll the shoulders back, lift left arm up, and then exhale, twist. Bring the left arm to the outside of the right leg. Start to gaze past right shoulder. Hold it here. And then start to reach down, grab the pinky side edge of the right foot. On your next exhale, extend the leg long. Continue to gaze past right shoulder. Hold it here for 3. Take a breath for 2. And on your final exhale, bend the knee. Come out of the twist. Left hand goes on hip. And then lower the right leg down. We'll switch sides. Start to ground into the right leg. Again, activate that Astabandha by gripping into the mat and then pressing away, creating that suction cup force. Inhale, lift the left leg up, roll the shoulders back, engage the core here. Lift the right arm up. Exhale, bring the right arm to the outside of the left leg. Start to gaze over the left shoulder. And then reach down, grab the pinky side edge of the left foot. Extend the left leg long. Continue to gaze past right shoulder, left shoulder. Hold it here for 3. Take a big breath for 2. And exhale, lower the left leg down. Right hand goes on your hips and then lower the foot down. Roll the shoulders out. Good job. So that is our advanced posture, balancing posture this week. This month we'll continue doing our balancing postures. Let me know if you have any questions, if this was helpful for you, like and subscribe, and to continue to see more postures and learn more about yoga. Again, my name is Elisha. I hope you have a wonderful day. Namaste. Thank you.